here we are going to understand. But first of all, understand it. What is this editor? Java editor. See this, all of you observe carefully. First of all, editor is a software. Editor is what there is a software. What it will provide the information, what it will provide the environment for us. It will provide a very good environment. It will provide very good environment to write Java programs and to save Java files into the computer. That's it. Java editor is a software. It will provide a very good environment to write Java programs and to save Java files into the computer, into the machine, in our computer. Just to write Java programs, to save the Java programs into the computer. For that purpose, we are going to use what there? Java editor. Remember it. Java editor is not responsible for compilation of the programs and is not responsible for what their execution of the programs. Just provide some environment to write Java program, to save the Java file into the computer. That's it. Just like it is a notebook. You are having notebook. Not normal notebooks are available, right? If you are having notebook, there we are going to write the data. We are going to keep the data safely in our books shell or not. The same thing here we are going to understand. The same point. Editor is a software which will provide a very good environment to write Java programs, to save Java files into the computer. That's it, not more than that. What are the various editors are available actually in outside? If you observe this, now Notepad is also be acting as what their editor. Notepad is also acting as editor. Edit Plus is also be acting as what their editor. Notepad, Edit Plus. Next one is what there? Notepad plus plus is also be acting as editor. Next one is what there? Sublime Text is also be acting as an editor. Atom is also be acting as an what there? An editor. And so on and so on. So many editors are available. All these are acting as what their editor only. Of course, our well-known things. Few more things here I want to write it now. VS Code. VS Code is also like what there? An editor. There also we are able to write the point. But VS Code is giving some extra behavior also. Extra. We can compile the programs automatically. We can run the programs automatically. So it is providing that environment. VS Code is more than editor, less than IDE. VS Code is what there? More than editor and less than IDE. Understand it now. But it is okay that we can do that. But in general, VS Code is mainly for UI development and Python development and Django application development. But nobody will use for what their Java. And moreover, of course, utilization of these editors is very, very less in the Java case also. Maximum we are going to use what their IDEs. Maximum we are going to use what their IDEs. Integrated Development Environments. Eclipse maybe, IntelliJ IDEA maybe, NetBeans maybe, like so many IDEs are available. That we are going to use. Okay, then that we are going to understand later, not immediately. But first of all, let us have some discussion over this content. Then once we are comfortable with these editors, then after that I will start with what their IDEs implementation partner. That's it. Notepad, Edit Plus, Notepad Plus Plus, Sublime Text, Atom, VS Code, and so on. All these are like what their editors, what you are getting now. Leave it. Now in our classes, I want to use Edit Plus maximum. In our classes, I'm going to use what their Edit Plus at a startup part of the programming. Starting point of the programming, I'm going to use what their Edit Plus. Observe carefully. I'm going to use what their Edit Plus for starting point of the applications inside my classes now. Once we are getting comfortable with this Edit Plus there, immediately we'll start what their Eclipse IDE. There we are going to see some programming. After completion of some course with Eclipse IDE, then we will start with like what their IntelliJ IDEA. Then the remaining part of the course we are going to see with what their IntelliJ IDEA. I'll show that points there in the future. Leave this point here, all of you know. Right, now installation steps. Installation steps of like what their Edit Plus installation steps. Right, now how we are going to install it? First of all, download Edit Plus from the URL. I'm going to show the URL to you. Through that URL, you are going to download that Edit Plus. But before going to start this Edit Plus installation, already I have Edit Plus in my system. Let me uninstall it. Then after that, freshly I want to install that Edit Plus now. That's it. The same process. If you want to uninstall any program there, I must go with what there? Control panel. Right. So now inside this control panel, uninstall a program. There we can see this. This is what software you know, Edit Plus. Edit Plus 64-bit. Right click on it, uninstall. Option is available. Okay, fine. Yes, sir. Okay, now it's completed. I think so. It was uninstalled. Now, do you want to remove all register settings or of Edit Plus? Yes, I want to remove everything. Edit Plus has been removed. Right, sir. Now let me check it here. Now here, if I want to type Edit Plus now, Edit Plus app is available. Just its icon is available. If I click on this icon, nothing we are going to get. That Edit Plus is not going to be open. Now again, I'm going to click on it. Even if you click on this open, it's not going to be performed any operation here. Why? Because I have uninstalled it. It's not going to be available here now. Okay, fine. Now what I'm telling there, I want to download Edit Plus. To download this Edit Plus, just Google it. To download this Edit Plus, then what we have to do there, just Google it. Edit Plus download. Edit Plus download. Now see this one, Edit Plus download, free trial. Open a new tab. Now see this one, Windows 10 or 11 operating system supported. Edit Plus is getting like what there, it is giving support for maximum Windows operating system only. For Mac, I think so it is not available for Edit Plus now. But Sublime Text is available. Those who are using Mac no, Sublime Text we can use for Mac operating system. Right, sir. Very soon even I will show that how to install and how to use Java software and all inside this MacBook also there. Then I will show that very soon, but not immediately. Right, so now let's move on to this point here. What is the latest version of the Edit Plus? You know, download Edit Plus 5.7 is the latest version. Click on it. If you click on it, that Edit Plus install might be downloading is started here. Now it's completed almost all. Downloading is completed. Right, sir. Now just it's almost all ending now. At the ending point here, let it come. Once it is coming there, then I will go to the location where it was provided. Now click on the show in folder. Now get this is Edit Plus that is available already. Now this here I want to cut it. I want to cut it. I'll go with what there. E drive. I want to keep all my softwares at a particular location. Softwares, JDKs, Fullstack Java 830. Now here I want to create a folder. That folder name is what there? Edit Plus. Inside this, I want to keep our content here. Now this is about our Edit Plus. Now directly I want to install it. When I'm going to install this Edit Plus, double click on it. Now, okay, fine. Now observe carefully. I want to start this. I want to give some steps also to you regarding this download. So link here I given there. The next one is what there. Double click on the file, whatever the downloadable file here we are getting there, that we want to double click there. Exe file. Right, sir. If we double click on it, now okay, just we have to click on what there, accept button. Click on what there, accept button. Next one is after click on this accept button, it's going to be installed. Now it is asking about click on start copy button. Click on the start copy button. If you click on start copy, a shortcut will be created on desktop, or maybe a shortcut will be created on menu. Inside the menu, Edit Plus to the right mouse button also. No. If you click on this, right click on this mouse here, there also in the menu we are able to see that Edit Plus like this here. It's okay. All of them are coming there. Finally, we have to click on what there. Click on OK button. That's enough. Click on the OK button. Overall, what we completed, right, sir. Edit plus installation process here we completed. Click on OK button. Now it is completed here now. So now here, after that, this is the edit plus installation process here we can understand. After completion of this, then what about the next step here? No, just download and install Java editor. Then where what we provided here? Edit plus. The total process here we provided. Got it or not? Right, so now see this one. Now we are able to get edit plus here. Now here edit plus is coming there. Just click on this edit plus. All right, now here what we have to do there? This is like what there, just one or two steps are remaining here. Just to open this edit plus that we are providing, no? Okay, 1 minute here. Then after this, what next one here? Open edit plus. Open edit plus. Open edit plus in the sense, how we are going to open this edit plus? No, by searching in the system search. System search in the sense, in the desktop we are having the search there. There if you type edit plus, all the softwares which we installed, they are going to be available here. Just we can select it. Okay, by searching in the system search. If we click on it, there automatically here what we are getting there. Here we are getting like what there. This one here we are getting, click on what button here? No, S button. Click on the S button. When we click on this S button, now here click on OK button. These are formalities only. Click on the OK button. Then after this, if we click on OK button, see now what it is asking there, where we want to keep some temporary files or some templates of this edit plus now. By default, it has taken the location C program files edit plus and C program files edit plus. No problem. We can maintain the same location. No need to think about it. OK button. Setup we override existing syntaxes now. Right, click on S button here. Now here we are getting like what there? Edit plus. Observe carefully. Now what this edit plus it is asking there no? Now it is asking about what there? Enter registration code. Got it or not? That means edit plus is what there is not like open source, like it's not like freeware. It's a licensed one only. But 1 month after time they are able to provide what there trial. 1 month after time they are able to provide what there trial. Register trial help. Now I need to click on what there trial. If I click on this trial, now it is giving like what there 1 month after time 30-day evaluation period has been provided there. But of course, in my system, 30 days evaluation period has expired already. Almost the last 15 years onwards, I'm using the same edit plus now. In the very first year, first month itself, it might be completed. Then, but still, I'm using this edit plus, sir. How, sir? How I'm using this edit plus till now? Drag here and use it. That's it. No other option here now. Okay, just drag down and you can use this edit plus. But this is a program in my last batch where I've used it there, that edit plus that I got there. But internally, just now I installed edit plus. But why we are getting this program now? Internally, what happened in our system? Cache is available. Cache memory is available. When I install this edit plus, now all my edit plus files might be saved in the cache memory. When I again reinstall this, or when I open that edit plus, now all these programs and everything is getting from what their cache. The settings of this edit plus, it is imported from what their cache memory. That's why we are getting this much of like a font size and all the things here. Now. Understand it now? But if I want to remove that cache, it may take a lot of time here. Then no need to worry for it. Whatever the process I shown, just follow that process. No, in our system also edit plus will come. There we are able to open that edit plus. When we open this edit plus like this, we are able to have the panel, empty panel here. We are able to get. That's a got or not? There we are able to get like what there empty panel. That's it. Now this is a way to provide this one. Now you click on the OK button. Then after that, what next one can know? All right, click on trial period. Click on trial button. And what next one you know? Click on OK button. That's it. Then it is asking about 1 month trial period for you. Just click on OK button. That's enough. Then automatic 1 month of time, 1 month of trial period is going to be started again. In the case if 1 month is completed, don't need to worry for it. Just drag down and we can use the same product for our applications. Don't worry. In the future, I'm going to use what there some other editors also. Not only edit plus 1 or 2 editors I will show to you. Sublime text I will show to you how to use the sublime text in our classes there. By that we are able to get some clarity. Okay, right. So now this is about like what there download and install edit plus. Is that all of you are getting clarity how to download and install this edit plus now? Clear or not? Right. So next one is watch after this, after completion of this punch here. Now see this one, download and install Java editor, that is completed. No, Right, 1 minute. Let me take this at the end now. And one more conclusion here I want to give before going to take all these points here. One conclusion here I'm telling to you. What is that note? Note type of point here. Observe carefully. Editors are suggestible. Editors are suggestible up to the learning process. Editors are suggestible up to what their learning process. How long you are going to learn Java? Up to the time only. Editors are suggestible. Got it or not? Editors are suggestible up to the learning process. Editors are not suggestible. Editors are not suggestible. Editors are not suggestible in the real-time application development. Editors are not suggestible in the real-time application development. In the companies, if you go there, nobody will use these editors. Got it or not? Okay, fine. What are suggestible in the real-time application development? In the real-time application development, what are suggestible actually? IDEs are suggestible. IDEs are suggestible. What are the various IDEs which are suggestible, which are available here in outside? If you observe this, now here we can understand Eclipse is one of the IDE. IntelliJ IDEA is another one. Alright, sir. NetBeans, another one here. NetBeans. But for core Java programs, I'm going to show Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. Both I'm able to show comfortably. NetBeans is not required. Why? Because if you want to use NetBeans, minimum we have to use Maven. We have to create Maven projects. So Maven is required. But in core Java, nobody will talk about what their Maven related content. So because of that reason, Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA, we are going to use from this IDE's partner. But when I'm going to use this Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA, not immediately. In the future, I will use that. When the programming is started effectively, when the lengthy programs are started, from that point onwards, I'm going to show with what there Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. But up to the time, we have to use Edit Plus only for our simple applications. Alright, so now it is completed. Leave this one. Next one is what? After completion of this, observe carefully. The next one is open Java file and write Java program. Open Java file and write what there? Java program. Or else, one more point here I'm telling to you. Edit Plus we have seen how to install Edit Plus. That part here we have seen. Yeah, come. Edit Plus we have seen how to install that Edit Plus. Up to that, I want to install one more editor for you, Sublime Text. Now try to utilize it as per our requirement. If you want to use Sublime Text for our applications, then we can utilize it. No, but I will show how to download and install that Sublime Text. But I'm not going to give any document for it. No, but I will show. Automatically, it's going to be recorded here. If you check it, automatically we are going to see that. No, right? Let me install that Sublime Text also. Understand it now? Right, sir. Then already that Sublime Text is available in my system here. Let me open command. Sorry. Already Sublime Text is available. Now let me open control panel. Now inside this uninstall program. Right, sir. Now let me check for it now. Sublime Text. Yes, this is Sublime Text is already available. I want to uninstall it. Right, sir. Now it is not available. Sublime Text is not available. Even app is available, but it is not going to be working, right? Leave it now. Again, I want to download it and I want to install it in my system here. At least by following this video, we can download and install Sublime Text. You can work with Sublime Text also, no problem here. Anything, both we are going to use as per our requirement. Now let me Google it. Now I want to get that what their Sublime Text. Sublime Text download. Sublime Text, sublimetext.com website is available. Right click on it, open in new tab, open here. Now we are getting it. Alright, sir. Now, what is available, sir? Now tell me. Windows 64-bit, right? Portable version. We can understand it now. Linux, right? What is this actually? OX X. It is available here. It's like what the Mac for the sake of this Mac or something else. No. Alright, so now here we require what there Windows 64-bit also available, portable versions. Click on this Windows 64. Here my thing is what there, Windows 64 version only. But what is this bundle version here? No, Sublime Text 4 has been released and contains significant improvements. Okay, let me check it. It is available or not. Yes, now this is what there. Yeah, build version 4.1. Okay, fine. It's okay. It's a newer version here. Now let me click on this Windows version here. Click on this Windows now. Thank you for downloading. Now it was started here. Downloading is started here. About the Sublime Text now. Now, good support is provided. Try Sublime Merge. Okay. Yeah, I will think about it later on. All the new features, no. But here we are having what there? Sublime Text. Some content is available here. Now let me check it. It's almost all completing its download part here. Now let me use it. So why I'm installing two versions here? One is Edit Plus and other one is Sublime Text. Either of this we can use. For example, in our system, Edit Plus is not working properly. Then we can go with what their Sublime Text. If it is not working properly, you can go with what their Edit Plus. That depends on your requirement, what we want to use. That's it. Now let me check it. Now it is going on. Almost all it is at the end. Sublime Text. Here we are getting it. Right, sir. Just wait a minute of time. Once it is coming, then we will start installing that Sublime Text. Same things are just we can download the required softwares and we can install them, then we can use them. That's it. I'm giving clarity for all of you. Almost all the Java related softwares are almost all freewares only. Don't take license for any version, any Java related software. Even I'm telling to you, Oracle database also, MySQL database also, I will show to you how to download from internet and how to use them. No need to think, no need to use like what they're these licensed versions for our applications now. If anything we require licensed version there, then 1 month of trial period they will provide. Just we can download up to 1 month of trial period, we can use it. Once 1 month is completed, again re-download it from the internet. Or else we can change the system date and we can install it now. Maybe number of loopholes are available for using these softwares, but no need to take any license here now. Right, sir. Now okay, just I want to install it. Let me copy this. Now get E drive. Inside this E drive, softwares. Then here JDKs or maybe editors is available here. Inside this editor, so many things are available. Now here, what I am telling there, softwares, JDKs, full stack Java, JDKs are available. Now here it's okay. Editors are available. Inside these editors now, number of editors are already I downloaded. Now here I want to provide the Sublime Text. This is different version here now. Right, so now let me double click on it. If I double click on it, automatically installation process will start. Where it is going to take the location here now in program files, but I don't require under program files. Directly under what there, C:/Sublime Text. Click on next button. All right, sir, already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Yes, no problem. Right, so click on next button, click on install button. It's going to be installed. It's a matter of half second to complete this what there installation. That's completed, finish. Sublime Text is ready. Sublime Text is installed successfully. When it is installed successfully, now here I want to open the Sublime Text now. Go for the system search. Any kind of software what we installed in our system, directly we can get it through what there system search. Inside our system at bottom side, left side, search is available. There we can type it. There we are able to get what there Sublime Text. Now here we are going to get that what there that product. Sublime Text here we are able to get. Yeah, now we are getting it. No, there's a stable channel catalog or something else. It is coming there. Just no need to take this one about this here. Not required. Yeah, close it. No problem. Now this is I got from the previous. It's the same scenario. In the cache, all my settings of this Sublime Text is available. That we are getting there. No need to think about this content here. Just I want to delete this particular file. It's okay, fine. Now here we are getting it. Now I want to open this Sublime Text and I want to do a little bit program, main small program here I want to prepare. In both Edit Plus and inside this Sublime Text, both I want to show. First of all, let me check this one. File, new file. I want to take it. Control S, save this file first directly. Where we want to save this one, D drive. Inside the D drive, there we are going to use what there, full stack Java 430. There I want to save with core Java. There I want to save with what there, tester.java. Tester.java. Now it is available. Here what we have to do there, public class tester is available. This is a class. Now next one is what their main method. Main method is available. Now here I want to write system.out.println of just welcome message. Welcome to Durga soft. Like this here we are able to provide some message and semicolon. This is my program inside the Sublime text. Some different colors we are able to get. Dark background here we are getting. It's okay. Already we saved this program. Directly open command prompt. In the command prompt, go to the location where we have saved it. Now here full stack Java 430, then core Java. Now here it is available. dir. If you see this, tester.java file is available that I want to compile. Now Java C space tester.java. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Here we are getting like what is Java space tester. There we are getting welcome to Durga soft. Now this is what exactly the message here we are getting. This is through what their Sublime text here we prepare the program. The same thing I want to prepare through what their edit plus. Right or not? Alright, sir. Now understand this clearly. After understanding this point here, open Java file and write Java program. That's the next step here. Under the next step here, I'm going to provide this content. See, observe carefully. Open Java file and write Java program. To open this Java file, what we are doing there? First one is to open Java file. Alright, sir. Now, in Edit Plus, I'm telling to you, select a file new Java. What is the option here now? File new Java. Right, sir. Now, select a file, select the new button, new under file, in a file. Next one is after completion of this, select the Java in a new, in the new. There automatically we are able to get what there, automatically we are able to get Java editor. Directly here we are able to get what there, Java editor. File, new Java. When we provide this Java editor we are getting, but here we are getting predefined template for Java program. Understand my point here? Directly a template here we are getting. Now here we have to provide what the tester. Class name we can provide test. Public static void main string array here we are getting it. Now inside this system.out.println now just we are going to provide something else like what there. Welcome to Java programming. We provided. Welcome to Java programming. So this part here we provided. Now let me save this. Control S. If we click on Control S, now get D drive. Inside the D drive, full stack Java 430, core Java. Inside this, just I want to prepare what there, tester.java. Tester.java that we provided. Okay, already it is existed. I want to override this. Program is very same, but one time we prepared through Sublime text, another time we prepared through what there, Edit Plus. Edit Plus or Sublime text or Atom or whatever it may be, they are editors only. Just they provide environment to type the program to save that file into the system. That's it. Up to that only. Right, so now it is completed. Then after that, what I have to do there? We have to open command prompt. Then inside this command prompt, Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. Welcome to Java programming output here we are getting. That's it. Now here we understood clearly how we are able to write open Java file and how to write this Java program also here we understood. Got it or not? Now see this one, the steps are like what there. Open Java file and write Java program. Open Java file. Here we have seen it with this now. If we use the above steps, Java file will be open. Java file will open, comma, where we have to write Java program. We have to write Java program. Right, sir. But how we are going to write Java program? To write Java program, what we required minimum? To write Java program, what we required minimum? See this editors now. In the Sublime text I have used it. Where inside the Sublime text, to write Java program, to write Java program, what components we require minimum, sir, to write Java program? First of all, main class is required. Am I right or not? What class is required? Main class is required. One class is required. Inside this, what is required now? Main method is required. Public static void main method. Then inside this, one line to display some welcome message is required. System.out.println. Now see this one, even in the case of this edit plus also, what is required here now? Main class. Inside the main class, main method. Inside this, we have to write what there? System.out.println to display some welcome message. To display what message here? Welcome message. Now we required these many components, these three components minimum. That's it. Observe carefully. To write Java program, we need the following components minimum. What are the components here we required minimum there? First one is main class. Next one is what there? Main method. The next one is after this main method, system.out.println. System.out.println method to display messages and command prompts. If you want to display something in command prompt there, to display messages on the command prompt. To display something in command prompt, there we have to use what there? System.out.println statement. In a C and C++, in the case of C programming language, you may use printf. In the case of C++, cout we are able to use. Similarly, in the case of Java, system.out.println statement we are using to display data on command prompt. This is exactly the program here what we required if you want to prepare this program. But inside this minimum program, inside this program here, what is what minimum information here we have to get. Let's see this one. I want to provide the total information here. Now this is a program here what we provided, the complete program. Of course, the curly braces at any location here we can take, sir. Not mandatory to maintain in the same line of the declarative statements. In the next line also we are able to provide these statements, no curly braces. Okay, now here we have taken these curly braces like this. All right, all of you understand it, no? First of all, what is this class? Class is a keyword. Class is what there? A keyword. What is this test class? Test is what there? User defined class. It is not predefined class. Of course, main class at the same time, this is what there? User defined class. What are these public and static? Both. Public and static are like what there? Access modifiers in Java. In the case of Java, no concept like access specifiers. Access specifiers are not available. Only we are having what there? Access modifiers. Now here, the same point I am telling there. Public and static are like what there? Access modifiers. Understand it now. Alright, sir. Then after this, these two are access modifiers. Then what is this void actually? Void is what there? Return type to the method. Return type. Void is return type. Main is what? Main is what there? Method name. Main is what there? Main method name. Next one is string. String is what there? It's a predefined class name. Aux is what? Aux is user defined reference variable. User defined variable. Next one, system. System is what there? Predefined class name. Predefined class name. Out is what? What is this out actually? Out is predefined a reference variable. Predefined what there? A reference variable. And what is this println actually? Predefined method. Predefined method. Println method is what there? Predefined method to display the data. Predefined method. Okay, fine. What is this? Welcome to Java programming. What is this actually? This total information is what there? Text data. Text data as a string. Text data as a string. Okay, double quotations are representing what there? String inside the Java. See this here, each and every part here we represented, no? Class is what there, you can understand keyword. Test is what there, use a different class name. 1 minute. Next one is public and static are like what there? Public and static are access modifiers. Void is return type for the main method. Main is a method name. String is predefined class name. Args is what there, user defined variables. System is predefined class. Out is what there, predefined difference variable. Println is a predefined method. And welcome to Durga soft is what there, text data as a string. These are like what there, each and every part, each and everything about our what there, our program. Everything about our program here we are getting clearly. Is it got it or not? Right, so now this is the total point here. Now let me copy this. Right, so now this is the diagram here I provided how to write this Java program, that minimum Java program. If you want to write minimum Java program, what exactly the points here, what exactly the components we require, that everything is specified. Now first of all tell me, to write any Java program, how many elements we require minimum of the minimum? 3 elements. What are the 3 elements? No, main class, main method, one system.out.println method. What is the purpose of this system.out.println method? To display some message on command prompt. To display some message on command prompt. For that purpose only here we require what there? That main method here now. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Now this is the total awareness here we can understand about like what there, how to prepare the Java program. How we are going to prepare like what there, Java program, that we understood. Right, so this step is completed now. Just I have written the Java program. How to write Java program only I have written. Am I right or not? After writing the Java program, then what we have to do now, tell me? Come on guys, after writing Java program, what we have to do there now, tell me? Save Java file. After writing Java program, what we have to do? Save Java file. Alright, how we are going to save Java file? Yeah, all of you are following the points, no? Sequence of steps, if you observe this, what I completed up to now, I installed Java software. Okay, without Java software, we can't do anything in our Java programming. So I install Java software. Second one is what they, all right, I install editor, Java editor. Without having editor, how can we write the programs? No. Without having paper, no, how can we write the program there? How can we write the data? Definitely some paper is required or not. Similarly, editor is required. All right, after that, after installation of the editor, next one is we need to write Java program. To write Java program, what knowledge is required? I given information, minimum data. Right, after writing Java program, then what next one? No, we have to save that Java program into our system. After that only we are going to compile the program. After that only we are going to execute the program. Right or not? Now observe carefully. Save Java file, that we have to do. What we have to do there? Save Java file. How we are going to save Java file here? If you want to save any Java file, there are 2 rules and regulations here we have to follow. To save Java files here we have to use what there? 2 rules and regulations. What are the 2 rules and regulations here we have to use to save Java files here? Alright, sir. To save Java files, we have to use the following rules and regulations. What are the rules and regulations here we have to use to save Java files? No. First one is, right, observe carefully all of you know. First of all, I'll explain the point, then after that I'll go for document. Now try to understand it clearly. First step is, if the present Java file contains public element. Understand it here? What is this public element actually? If the present Java file contains any public class or any public abstract class or any public interface or any public enum. Public class, public abstract class or public interface or public enum. If anything is public, then we must save the Java file with the public element name only. No violations about this rule. This rule is mandatory. If you are not following this rule, if it does not follow this rule, definitely we are able to get compilation error. Now tell me, sir, what is the rule number 1 here? I'm telling to you. Public element. If the present Java file contains public elements like public class, public abstract class, public interface, public enum, then we must save the Java file with the public element name only. We must save the Java file with what there? Public element name only. No second thought of it. For example, if no element is public in the present Java file, no element is public in the present Java file. For example, if no element is public in the present Java file, then we can save the Java file with any name. It is possible to save the Java file with any name, maybe abc.java or xyz.java, that we can use with any name if no element is public in the present Java file. But there, Java has provided a convention. What was the convention that Java has provided here in this particular situation? Instead of saving the Java file with any other name, instead of saving the Java file with any other name, it is suggestible to save the Java file with a main class name. The main class is the most important class inside our Java program. Instead of using abc.java or xyz.java, some other irrelated names, instead of that, try to save the Java file with what there? Main class name. Main.java. Directly we can go for it. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? So this is exactly the meaning of like what there? Saving Java file. Rules and regulations here we have to follow. Tell me, once again, I'm asking to you know what exactly the rules and regulations here we have to follow there. The rules and regulations are what there. First one is what there. First of all, we have to check whether any public element is available or not in our Java file. If any public element is available like public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, then we must save the Java file with the public element name only. If no element is public in the present Java file, then we can save the Java file with any other name like abc.java and xyz.java. But where Java has given a suggestion, what was the suggestion that Java has provided here? Instead of saving the Java file with any other name, instead of using any other name to save Java file, it is suggestible to save the Java file with the main class name. Whatever the name we are giving for main class, no, with the same name we can save the Java file. Yes, sir, got it or not? So these are the rules and regulations here we have to follow about to save this Java file clearly. Right, sir. Now let me check this. The same point here I'm going to type. I'm going to provide here. Let me provide these rules and regulations. Then after that I will show in practical here. No. Right, sir. If the present Java file contains, public class or public abstract class, if the present Java file contains any public element, like public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, then it is mandatory to save Java file with the public element name only. Right, sir? Now understand this point clearly, what I am telling you know. If the present Java file contains any public element like a public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, then it is mandatory to save Java file with the public element name only. In general, why it is a public if it is a question? No, I'm giving clarity. Understand it now. For example, in a Java file, 5 classes are available. Out of these 5 classes, no, definitely one class is the most important class. Okay, my point or not? Definitely one class is what there most important. Say for example, understand this example, then we are able to understand it now. For example, if we take some movies in outside, the maximum Balakrishna movies if we take in outside, no, I think you are aware about Balakrishna, right? He's a very good actor in Telugu industry, I think so. TFI, right? Not in Bollywood, right? TFI. Balakrishna is a very good actor. If we take his movies there, then continuously had some good movies there. Might be in the last 3 to 4 movies are very good. If we observe in these movies there, can you check it? Know what exactly the titles of that movies? What titles are available? If we observe the titles of that movies, no, that hero name is a movie title or not? Max. Take then maximum movies if you take, no, then that movie name is acting as what there, that hero name is acting as what there, character name is acting as is what there is a movie name, is a title of that movie. Am I right or not? Why so many actors are available in that movie, but why that hero name is provided for that? Yeah, he is what there is the most important character. That is most important character. Its elevation is that what their file name. Its elevation is what there that main that respective movie name. Got it or not? In the same way, in our Java file, even though if I write 100 classes, no, but definitely one class is what the most important class or not. There only we are going to write our actual content or not. That class in general we are going to declare as what their public. That class we are going to declare as what their public. So once you are saying that this class is a public class, no, definitely that file must reflect the same point or not. To reflect that meaning, to reflect this class is an important class, in general, we are going to keep that public class name as what their file name. In general, we are going to provide that public class name is what their file name. That's why Java made it as a mandatory. What is that mandatory here? If the present Java file contains anything is public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, then it is mandatory to save Java file with the public element name only. With what's our public element name only. If we violate this rule, if we violate this rule, if we violate this rule, then the compiler will raise an error. What is the meaning of violating this rule? No, my class A is a public. For example, my class A is a public. Guys, understand it clearly. My class A is a public, but I saved the Java file with tester.java. Class is a public, but I saved with what the tester.java. The definitely compiler will raise what there an error clearly. In this case, no. That's why if you violate this rule, then the compiler will raise an error. That's okay, fine. Point number 2, all of you observe carefully. If no element is public in the present Java file, if no element is public in the present Java file, then it is possible to save Java file with any name. Then it is possible to save Java file with any name, like what there, abc.java, comma, xyz.java, and so on and so on and so on. If no element is public in the present Java file, then it is possible to save the Java file. Then it's possible to save the Java file with any name. It is possible to save the Java file with any name. With any name like abc.java, comma, xyz.java, and so on. But in this case, in this context, Java has provided a suggestion. This is only what their suggestion, not mandatory. The suggestion, Java has provided a suggestion that to save Java file with the main class name. It is a suggestion to save Java file, to save the Java file with what there, with the main class name. Understand it now? That's it. Now read out this second statement here, what we have given there. If no element is public in the present Java file, then it is possible to save the Java file with any name, like what, abc.java, xyz.java, and so on. In this context, Java has provided a suggestion to save the Java file with the main class name instead of any other name. Instead of using any other name. Instead of using what there, any other name. That's it. This is exactly the rules and regulations what we are having about to save Java file. Now let me show one or two examples here on the basis of this, by that we are able to get clarity. Now at present here I am providing to you, understand it clearly. Alright sir, now I want to remove this. Observe carefully, I want to create a Java file. How we are going to create Java file now? Tell me. File. Yeah. Right. So now say this file new. Then what next one again? No Java. File new Java. Okay. File new Java. I want to take what their tester. Class name is what their tester. Public static void main string array args. That we are getting now. Okay. Right. Now just I want to write like what there. I want to write something else like what there. First Java application. First Java application. Observe carefully. Now tell me, do you have any public element inside this Java file? Do you have any public element inside this Java file? No public element is available inside the Java file. I want to save it. Fullstack Java 430 core Java. Now here, no public element is available in the present Java file. So I can save that Java file with any name or not. Now I want to use abc.java. What is my file name, sir? abc.java. See this now, tell me. What's the present file name? abc.java. But what is that main class name still? Tester. File name is what the abc.java. Why? Because no class is public inside the present Java file. So I can save the Java file with the abc.java with any name that I saved it. Now let me check it now. I want to compile the program. Please remember this. When we compile the program, along with the Java C command, we must use file name always. Along with Java C command, must use what their file name. What is my file name? Present file name is what? What is the present file name? You know, abc.java. Java C space abc.java. Compiled successfully. Java C space abc.java compiled successfully. Got it or not? Next one, after completion of this, I want to execute the program. Compilation is successful. If you want to execute the program along with Java, we have to use Java command. But along with Java, we must use main class name. Along with Java command, we must use what their main class name, main method class name, along with Java command. What is the main class name? You know, tester. Test is a main class name. There we have to use what their tester. Java C compilation. Compilation required file name. Java in the sense JVM. JVM required main class. That's why along with Java C, we have to provide file name. Along with Java command, we have to provide what their main class name. But here, main class name and file name may be same, may not be same. That doesn't matter. File name, main class name may be same, may not be same. That doesn't matter. But we have to provide what there. Along with Java C, we must provide file name. But along with Java, we have to provide what their main class name. Now, what output here we are getting there? First Java application output here we are getting. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. Now, let me check this one. Just I want to get copy this. Example one here I provided here. First of all, file name here I provided. What about this file name here? abc.java program here we provided. Now tell me, what is the status of it now? Compilation error, no compilation error. No compilation error. Am I right or not? No compilation error. Status is no compilation error. Okay, now here I want to show this point clearly. Compiler, that means what we provided here on command prompt, that information also we provided. Try to understand it now. It's okay, fine. This is example one. Now I'm going to take that example to understand it. Example one is okay. Now here we want to go with what there? Example two. Understand this example two. Now tell me, sir. Now this time, my main class name is what there? Tester. My current file name is what there? abc.java. But Java has given a suggestion or not? What was the suggestion that Java has provided here in this case? No. Java has provided a suggestion in this case. No, like what there? Instead of using any other name, abc.java or exposure.java, try to save the Java file with what name? Main class name. Try to save the Java file with what name? Main class name. What is that main class, sir? Tester. Test is a main class name here we can use. Now, I want to resave the same Java file. If we want to resave the same Java file, what we have to do there? All right, we need to use 1 minute. We have to use file save as, not to save. We have to use what there? Save as. Next, again, I want to save it. Save as. If we use that save as now this time I want to provide what there? Tester.java. I think already test.java is available or not? That I want to override with the new file. Test.java. Click on enter button. Now it is asking there. D:/ Fullstack Java 430 core Java test.java already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace it. No problem. That's enough. Do this one. What is my file name, sir? My file name is what there? Tester.java. My main method class name is what there? Tester. Both are compatible. It's okay. Now here, what I'm telling now, Java C space tester.java. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. What we are getting there? Output we are getting. What is that output here we are getting there? First Java application. This output here we are getting. All of you are getting clarity on this? No? This output here we are getting. So Java C space tester.java. Java space tester. First Java application. Finally here we are getting what there? Output here we are getting. Got it or not? Right, sir. That's okay, fine. This is another example here I'm telling to you. Another point here I shown there. Now, first of all, file name here I want to take. What is this file name here? Sorry. Tester.java. Program I provided. Status is what there? No compilation error. No compilation error here we are getting. Now, inside this command prompt here we provided the same thing here I want to display inside the command prompt. So this is completed. Next one is next example, third example here I'm providing. Try to understand it now. For example, now I want to take a public class A. Tell me, sir, here, how many classes I have written? 2 classes I have written. What are the 2 classes now? Tell me. Test class and A class. Class A and what next one? Class test. Class A and class test. Out of these 2, which class is acting as public? Class A is acting as public. Nice. What is my present Java file name? My Java file name is what there? Tester.java. Now understand it clearly. Java C, what I have to provide there? Align with the Java C command. Java C space, what we have to provide there? Tester.java. File name.java here we have to provide. But class is a public or not? Now it is giving some information. Now try to understand it clearly. It is giving some error message. What is the error message here we are getting now? Class A is public, should be declared in a file named A.java. Got or not? Class A is public, should be declared in a file named A.java. This is here we are getting a message. Indirectly, what it is saying there? Array class A is public. Try to save your Java file with what file name? A.java. It is asking there. So this is one of the point here. Error we are getting it, no? Now file name. File name is like what there? Tester.java still. Program we have written. Then where main class and main method. And class A, public class A here we have written there. Now the status is like what there? Compilation error. Why we are getting this compilation error? Just understand this. Right. Now this is the compilation error here we are getting. Got it or not? But as per the rule, what we have to save there? What exactly the file name here we have to provide? Which class name is a public? With that class name only here we have to save it. Am I right or not? So for the purpose we have to go with what there? File save as. There I must save this file with what name? A.java. Now A.java we saved it. Now tell me, how we are going to compile and execute this? Java C space A.java. Compiled successfully. But along with Java, what we have to provide there? Is a test class or main A class? Tester, main method. Along with Java, we must provide main class name. Along with Java C, we have to provide what there? File name, A.java. Right, sir. Java space what there? Tester. Now we are getting output. This is another example here we have to identify. Now the file name is like what there. What's the file name here? I'm telling to you. Example for file name a.java program here we have written. Now the status is what there. No compilation error. Status is what there. No compilation error. In command prompt, what we are getting there, the total part here I want to provide. This we are getting. But now I'll ask one important interview question. Now try to answer for it now. I'll ask one important interview question. What about our question here? Is it possible to declare more than one public class in a single Java file? Is it possible to declare more than one public class in a single Java file? Right, so now this is a question here we have to follow. Okay, answer for this question I'll discuss with them tomorrow. Answer and the remaining, like what the next one is what there save Java file concept here. If you complete this, that we are going to understand tomorrow, then don't miss the tomorrow's class. Next 3 classes are very, very important. Apchino is a normal topic only, but the main internal concepts I'm going to discuss there in the next 3 days. How we are going to compile the Java files, what happened internally, what is going to be happen inside the compilation, that we are going to understand. So don't miss the next 3 classes. Tomorrow, especially tomorrow's class, I'm going to provide like what there, the class, then the same content here. Tomorrow is a Saturday, right? Yes, still we have class there. You can come to the sessions. Tomorrow we'll take the class, no doubt for that. On Sunday, I will give gap, and Monday again we are going to have class there. Once if I complete first application development, then we have to appear for exam. Then we have to write an exam here. I'm thinking about it. Maybe on Wednesday we are able to get that exam. I need 3 classes to complete first application development. After that, maybe then tomorrow Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday I will finish it. Maybe on Wednesday we have to appear for the exam. Then we are going to attend for that exam there. Then next day onwards, language fundamentals I'm going to start. Like another content inside the Java. 3rd unit I'm going to start there. Language fundamentals. So this is the schedule what we are having there. Without failure, try to follow the schedule, right? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Till meet on tomorrow.